Get ready to impress with this delicious apricot coffee cake. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we share delicious recipes that you can easily make at home. Today, we have a special treat for you, an apricot coffee cake recipe that will surely satisfy your sweet cravings. This cake is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a dessert to enjoy with your coffee. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of apricot jam, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeters cake pan with butter. In a mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the egg and vanilla extract, and beat until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk until fully incorporated. Pour half of the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. Spoon the apricot jam on top of the batter and spread it out evenly. Cover the apricot jam with the remaining batter and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle the sliced almonds on top of the batter. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, a delicious apricot coffee cake recipe that is easy to make and tastes amazing. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.